Addition of binary numbers. Addition of binary numbers. Question number 1, first part. Add 10001 and 1101. We can add like this: 10001 1101. We are adding these numbers. So 1 plus 1 2, but we can't write 2 here. 2 when divided by 2 will give 0 remainder, and 1 is carried over. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and this is 1. So this is the addition of first binary number. Second part, 1011111. We have to add these binary numbers. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means 0. 1 is carried over. So 1 1 2 2 and 1 3. 3 when divided by 2, so it will give 1 remainder and 1 carry over. Again 1 1 2 and 1 3. So 1 is remaining 1. 1 is carried over. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 when divided by 0, it will be 0. 1 carry 1 or 1 2. 2 divided by 1 will give 0, and here is 1. 100 100 100 110. Third part of this, 100 00 11. We have to add these binary numbers. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 1, 1 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, and it is 1. This is the sum of binary numbers. This is the way by which we can add the numbers. See one more example, fourth part. 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. If we add these binary numbers, so 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 2. 2 means we have to write 0. 2 will carried over 1 carry. 1 plus 0, it is 1. 1 and 1 2. 2 means 0. Again 1 is carried, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 means 0. 1 is carried, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 and 0 is 2 to 0. And 2 can be written as 0. 1 is carried over, 1 plus 1 2, 2 means 0. 1 is carried over. 1 plus 1 2, 2 means 0. 1 is carried over. 1 plus 1 2, 2 is 0 and 1 is carried over. This is the sum. Subtraction of binary numbers. How can we subtract? Question number 2, first part. 10111. It is a binary number, and from this number we have to subtract. How we subtract? 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 1, and 1 minus 1 0. There is no need to write 0 in the very left. So this is the subtraction. Second part, 11001. From this number we have to subtract 1101 0011. How we can subtract? 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. This 0, if we take carry, the binary number is, we have 1 is carried from here, so then we will get no 10, we will get 2. because it is on base 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. What is remaining here? Here is 0. Again we take carry from here. So it is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the difference of the two numbers. Third part, in similar way, how can we subtract 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0? This is a number, and from this number we have to subtract 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. We have to subtract this. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0 0. From this we carried over. So this is not 10, it will become 2. So 2 minus 1 1, and here is remaining 0. This is the difference how we can subtract the binary numbers. Now multiplication. Multiplication of binary numbers. How can we multiply binary numbers? Question number 3, first part. 1 1 0 0 is multiplied by 1 1 1. So we can multiply simply 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 ja 1 and 1 1 ja 1. फिर again 1 1 0 0 again 1 1 0 0. Now we add the numbers 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 1 and 1 2. 2 cannot be written, so we are writing here 0. 1 is carried over. 1 1 2 and 1 3. 3 when divided by 2 it will give 1, and 1 is carried. So 1 and 1 2. 2 again 0 and 1. This is the multiplication of these two binary numbers. Second part. 1 0 1 1 1. It is multiplied by 1 0 0 1. So it is when we are multiplying by 1 1 1 1 0 1. When 0 to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. By 1 to 1 1 1 0 1. And on adding these numbers we will get 1 1 1. Here is 1. 1 and 1 2. 2 means 0. 1 is carries over. 1 1 2. 2 means 0. 1 is carried over. 1 and 1. This is the multiplication. Third part. 1 0 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 0 1 1. It is multiplied by 1 1 0 1. So by the multiplication what we will get? 1 1 0 1 0 1. By 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. By 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1 0 1. And the sum of these numbers 1 1. Here is 1 1 1 2 1 3. 3 means 1 and 1 is carries over. 1 and 1 2. 2 means 0. 1 is carried over. 1 and 1 2 and 1 carry 3. 3 means 1. 1 is carried over. 1 and 1 2. 2 means 0. 1 is carried over. 1 and 1 2. 2 means 0. 1 is carried over. 1 and 1 2. 2 means 0 and 1 is carried over. So this is the product of these two binary numbers. Now division of binary numbers. Division of binary numbers. How can we divide? Question number 4, first part. 1 1 1 0 0 divided by 1 1 1. So it is 1 1 1 1 times 1 1 1. So what is remaining? 0 0 0. This 0 means here 0, this 0 means here 0. So division of this is this one. Second part. 1 0 1 0 1 1 divided by remainder is 0. This is quotient. Quotient is 100 and remainder equal to 0. 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. We have to divide this number by 1 0 0 1. 1 times 1 0 0 1. Now we have to subtract this. When we take carry, then it will become 2. 2 minus 1 1. Here is remaining 0 0 0. Nothing else. So we are writing 1. 1 means 0. Again 1. 1 means 0. So what is quotient? Quotient equal to 100 and remainder equal to 1 1 1, because there is no need to write the 0 to the left side of a number. Third part. One 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. We are dividing by 1 1 1 1. 1 2 3 4. Yes. 1 1 1 1. We can't divide this 1000. So we can divide 1 times. So 1 1 1 1. Now from here we are taking carry. So 2 minus 1. It is 1. Here is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Here is remaining 1. 1 minus 1 0. And 1 minus 1 0. Again we are writing this 0. For this 0 we are taking 0 here. For this 0 we are taking 0 here. For this one we are taking 0 here. It means 1001. It is 1111, which cannot be divided. So therefore quotient equal to 1000 and remainder equal to 1001. Quotient is 1000 and remainder is 1001. Fourth part of this. 1 1 1 1 1 1. We are dividing 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 1 by 1 1 1. It is 1 times 1 1 1. What is remaining? Nothing. So we are taking 1. 1 means nothing. So 0 0 0. There is no need to write 0. Again we are writing 1. So we have to add a 0 here. Again it cannot be divided 1. So we have to 0 here. Again 111. 1 times 111. Nothing is remaining. So we carried over 1. And then for this one we are writing 0. And then 1 we are writing 0. Only 2 times 1. So what is quotient? Quotient equal to 1 0 0 1 0 0. And remainder equal to 1 1. So this is the division of binomial numbers. So application of binomial numbers, binary numbers. Application of binary numbers you can do like that: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and subtraction. Thank you. Have a nice day.